Hey guys, Iron Chef Garces here. Looking forward to sharing my spicy fish rub. I have some Aleppo chili, a little bit of ground ginger, some onion powder, garlic powder, toasted sesame seeds, salt, and dehydrated orange peel. All right, so we're gonna take these spices, cut them right in, super simple. I've got a really nice piece of snapper here. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to this. And just a very light sprinkling. You don't need a lot of this, it's gonna be pretty strong.